We were also able to get the potato exploit working on Windows Server 2012 and other new versions of Windows. Unfortunately, in its current state, you have to wait approximately 24 hours for the exploit to fire, and I'll show why in this video. Okay, so let's first see what user we are, just to double check. Check that user's groups. Okay, and let's check the local group administrators. Okay, so we can see that E. Goldstein is our current user. He doesn't belong to any of the local admin groups on this machine. So let's fire off the potato exploit. Okay, looks like it's good to go. It successfully spoofed WPAD. We can confirm that over here. Okay, so the way this one works is Microsoft has a feature in newer versions of Windows that updates certificate revocation lists automatically. I think it's part of Windows Update, but it doesn't fire at the same time that normal Windows updates do. It fires off once a day. So we're going to cheat here, and we're going to force an expiry of the certificate list by changing the date. I've done this manually, or just like let the day roll over manually a few times and confirm that it does work. Just for the video, we'll just change the time with an administrator account. So we're cheating a little bit here. And look at that right away. As soon as we changed the date, that fired off an event. You can see Windows is trying to fetch the disallowed certs stl.cab. We catch that because we're spoofing WPAD. For some reason, in Server 2012, when Windows tries to fetch this file, it's respecting the WPAD settings, even though Windows Update does not. So if we do net sh WPAD win HTTP show. So WinHTTP, which is in the newer versions of Windows, how you would configure Windows Update to go through a proxy, is configured for direct access. For some reason, though, this particular part of Windows Update still looks for a WPAD file and allows us to run our exploit. So now if we check the administrator's local group again, E. Goldstein is now in the administrators group, and that's our current user.